Hello everyone, welcome back to Genome MBBS, and today we are going to start with another very important topic, rabies. So to begin with it, the definition of rabies. Rabies is an acute fatal viral encephalitis caused by rabies virus following animal bite. A lot of things in the definition. It is acute, एकदम से फैलता है. Fatal, it will result in death. Viral, caused by virus. Encephalitis, inflammation of the CNS. Encephalitis, okay, caused by rabies virus following animal bite. Now the family of the virus is as follows. Family is Rhabdoviridae, genus Lysavirus. A very important feature of this virus is it is bullet shaped, है ना, bullet shaped. Genome comprises of negative sense single stranded RNA. Always remember the genome of every virus and whether it is covered by an envelope or not. So rabies virus is especially covered with an envelope. The envelope is present. Now the morphology. On the envelope we can see that these green colored glycoprotein spikes are present. Okay. Then we have inside the matrix protein, which is denoted by M here. Then more towards the center we have nucleoprotein. It is the helical nucleocapsid. Okay. Then we have RNA, the genome, single stranded RNA, negative sense. We also have phosphoprotein here. Okay. And then the large protein, which is the RNA polymerase. Okay, bullet shaped virus. Now the reservoir, it is followed by an animal bite. The disease is followed by an animal bite. So they are animals. Dogs most common in India. We already know that rabies is transmitted by dog bite, है ना. इतना तो हमें common knowledge है. So there are also bats, foxes, wolves, cats. Transmission is most common dog bite. Also, it can also transmit through a scratch, a lick on broken skin. The virus will get an opening to enter the body, and rarely it is transmitted through aerosol. Okay. Now we'll study the pathogenesis of this disease. Animal bite. Okay, virus deposited in muscle. So the virus will first be deposited in the muscle and it will start replicating at the bite site. This is the very important point, that the replication of the virus starts at the bite site and then it enters the peripheral nerves, and through which we will understand the next step, which is retrograde axonal transport, which means that from the periphery to the center, retrograde transport. Okay, then we have the CNS involvement, encephalitis, acute viral encephalitis, and then the virus spreads to salivary glands. Okay, now the incubation period of this virus is usually 1 to 3 months, है ना. Till the symptoms start to appear, we have a period of 1 to 3 months. It depends on bite severity, distance from brain, and viral load. There was retrograde axonal transport, right? तो अगर एकदम पेरीफेरी में हुआ है तो धीरे धीरे वायरस पेरीफेरी टू सेंटर जाएगा. सो द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द फ्रॉम द ब्रेन इट मैटर्स. द वायरल लोड मैटर्स कि कितना वायरस रेप्लिकेट कर पाया है, एंड बाइट कितना ज़्यादा है, लाइक स्क्रैच है या फिर एकदम पूरा बाइट किया है एनिमल ने. Now in this disease, a very important feature, which is the Negri bodies, they are seen. They are the diagnostic inclusion bodies seen in hippocampus and Purkinje cell. Okay, remember this, that Negri bodies are seen in rabies, where diagnostic inclusion bodies seen in the hippocampus and the Purkinje cells. They are eosinophilic. They will appear pink in color. We can see in this pathological image. They are intracytoplasmic inclusions. Cytoplasm के अंदर we can see in this image that a bright pink eosinophilic inclusion is present, and this is the Negri body. Very important feature of rabies. Now to study the clinical features, we have a prodromal phase. इसमें फीवर होगा, मैलेरिस होगी. मैलेरिस मतलब वही ऐसा लगता है कि इंसान को कोई दिक्कत हो रही है. अ पर्सन इज इल. पेन, टिंगलिंग एट बाइट साइट, हेडेक. ओके, देन वी हैव द न्यूरोलॉजिकल फेज. न्यूरोलॉजिकल फेज में एक होती है फ्यूरियस रेबीज. इट इज़ द क्लासिकल फॉर्म. इसमें हाइड्रोफोबिया होगा, इंसान को पानी से डर लगने लगेगा, पानी नहीं पिएगा इंसान। एरोफोबिया होगा, हवा से दिक्कत होने लगेगी। हाइपर एक्टिविटी, इट इज़ फ्यूरियस रेबीज, स्पैज्म्स, अग्रेशन। यू रिमेंबर फ्यूरियस रेबीज कम्स विद हाइपर एक्टिविटी, स्पैज्म्स, अग्रेशन। हाइड्रोफोबिया, इंसान को पानी पीने से डर लगेगा, उसको पानी पिलाएंगे तो इट विल लीड टू हाइपर एक्टिविटी, द पर्सन विल शो अग्रेशन, है ना। देन वी हैव द डम्ब और पैरालिटिक रेबीज, opposite to it, kind of, not completely, but yeah, furious and dumb. So here we have ascending paralysis, मतलब छोटे से बड़ा, ascending is, so it will start from the periphery and then it will lead to the central systems. Less hydrophobia, से पानी से डर कम लगता है. Then the third phase is coma and death. So it was a fatal disease. It will lead to respiratory failure and fatal in most cases. So hydrophobia is a pathognomonic feature. Patient develops painful pharyngeal spasms on attempting to drink water. Painful pharyngeal spasms. So you can imagine how dangerous this disease is. Now the diagnosis, test and findings. Direct fluorescent antibody test, DFAT, viral antigen in brain, nuchal smear. You have to learn this. RT-PCR, reverse transcriptase PCR, we increase the load of viral RNA. Skin biopsy, जहाँ पे bite हुआ है, scratch हुआ है, वहाँ से we take the tissue and we do immunohistochemistry. Viral antigen is detected here. Negri bodies, very important point. Histopathology होगी इसमें, eosinophilic intracytoplasmic inclusions. Remember these 3 words by heart. Eosinophilic intracytoplasmic inclusions. Remember this picture, if you can draw it, very good. DFA पॉजिटिव रहेगा इसमें, RT-PCR होगा, IHC पॉजिटिव होगा, इम्यूनोहिस्टोकेमिस्ट्री, ठीक है. नाउ पोस्ट एक्सपोजर प्रोफाइल एक्सेस हम क्या कर सकते हैं? आफ्टर बाइट, आफ्टर अ स्क्रैच, आफ्टर द contact with an animal, infected animal, the first step we can do is wound washing. Most important step. Wash wound thoroughly with soap plus running water for at least 15 minutes to try to get rid of any infection. Apply povidone iodine. Okay, viral, not antiviral. It is not antiviral. It is apply povidone iodine. It will have a septic effect, antiseptic effect. Categorize exposure. Now we'll categorize what kind of the exposure the person has been touching, feeding animals, licks on intact skin. There is no treatment. ठीक है, touching, feeding animals, it is very basic. Minor scratches, abrasions without bleeding, you can give a vaccine. Bite, transdermal exposure, licks on broken skin, mucous membrane, vaccine plus RIG. ठीक है. रेबीज इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन, RIG इज रेबीज इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन. दिस कैटेगरी 3 इज़ द मोस्ट डेंजरस. स्टेप 3 में हम वैक्सीनेशन कर रहे हैं. सेल कल्चर वैक्सीन्स होती हैं इसमें, HDCV, ह्यूमन डिप्लॉयड सेल वैक्सीन, एंड PCECV, प्योरीफाइड चिक एम्ब्रियो सेल वैक्सीन. ओके. देन स्टेप 4 में हम रेबीज़ इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन देंगे, जिसमें कि कैटेगरी 3 में दी जाती है. ये टाइप्स हैं इसके, HRIG, ERIG, equine rabies and human rabies. Equine is made by horse. Infiltrate as much as possible around the wound. ठीक है, you have to remember this. Now the prevention is animal control, vaccinate dogs. We have heard this quite a lot of times कि vaccinate dogs. Stray dog control, avoid contact with stray animals. Pre-exposure vaccination में for high risk groups we have veterinarians, vets, lab workers, animal handlers and travelers. ठीक है, तो जो जिनको एक्सपोजर का रिस्क है उनके लिए प्री एक्सपोजर वैक्सीनेशन होती है. जैसे वेट हो गए, लैब में जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जो एनिमल्स को डेली हैंडल कर रहे हैं, ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं, जो तो they have day-to-day contact with these animals. So yeah, it is very important for them to get pre-exposure vaccination. So this was all about rabies and I hope you learnt, and good luck.